Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add audio to Instagram post after posting. What you'll do if you have that in mind, you want to add some audio to your uploaded post. You're going to want to go to its setting, all right, and hit on edit. And as you can see here, you're going to want to tap on add music right here and simply select the music that you want to add. All right, for example, this one. Check. All right, as you can see here, I want to go to my profile and tap on the particular post. It is now has a music. All right, now if you don't have that option, you're just gonna want to basically update your app. To do so, just go ahead and go to your settings. All right, now what you're gonna want to do here is find the app section. You can do this on your iOS device as well, and find Instagram. All right, because your app might need an update. All right, now tap on Instagram. Now once you're in here on your iOS device, what you're going to want to do is to tap on the thing called offload. All right, offload data or offload app. Just go ahead and tap on that and wait for the process to finish. Now for Android devices, just go ahead and tap on storage. Now you're going to want to clear cache and clear data. All right, clear cache and then clear data. There will be a pop-up. Just click on or tap on OK. Now you're going to want to go ahead and go to your respective app store or Play Store. All right, and then find Instagram. There will be an update button right here. Just go ahead and tap on that and wait for the process to finish. Once done, you're going to want to open the app and see if it helps. That's basically it. I hope this video helps, and please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.